Tabby here, back with another video. Today, I would like to say that this morning I woke up because of something my dog did. I didn't wake up because of it. It's just I woke up and then I saw it, and to me it was devastating because for me, maybe not for other people, it was valuable stuff. No, Max, come here. Yeah, you know you're in trouble. Stop. That's no. Lay down. I'm popping on the nose right now, but I'm feeling nice. So, over here on my desk, I have a few things that he did. There was something else, but that was something that y'all did not need to see. So, this book, Minecraft, is a little damaged. Bring it over by the light. It has teeth marks, and there's nothing else running loose in the house that can do that. And for a fact, I know it was you because you ate books earlier. Yes, my dog ate books. Books, I tell you. Alright. And here's another book that I'm really sad about, because I recently got it because werewolf books are really hard to get because they're not really in stores. I don't know how far, that's, and the bookmark, aka the receipt, was chewed on, so I'll have to somehow find my page. Of course he had to chew on the valuable cover, man. That looks awesome. And, okay. And the spine. I almost forgot what this part of the book is called, but it's the spine. I mean, I could care less about this one being chewed on. It says, read the title. Can't see the K, but it says Ultimate Sticker Book. I mean, of course it has a few stickers in them, but that's because I took them out and then re-put them back in. And he walked off, the criminal. And he shoot through a Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. I mean, they're still readable, but it's kind of hard because I have to rip some of the pages because they're stuck together. Oh. So apparently later on, that I didn't know about, he chewed on the second copy we had of the first book. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah. And I think they were chewed on more because, some reasons. And this one only had a teeth mark, barely, and a few punctures on the spine. I mean, there's some of you who don't like books, but for me this is devastating because I love my reading books. See, chewed straight through the hardback cover. I mean, my family, we love our books. Yes, I love my Warrior series. We got Crabbe. Oh. We have quite a bit of books here. My mom's a collector. Oh, okay. Alright, sorry I took a pause, but I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I really hope this wasn't eaten or touched. My cute little notebook of wondrous things. Kitty. Oh, ignore ignore that. That's horrible. But yeah, that is all I have to show you. And bye.